Hello guys, this is another video from the Pinflow app, and it is a Pinterest pin generation. It creates infographic types of pins, while the previous tool created a simple pins, and here, like the previous tool, you can enter. Let me start with some example. I hit the fill example button. It will create some example input. Here the headline is Pinterest tips for Shopify stores. And let me also put some related bullet points and enter some background image. You can just hit the upload button with enter, and then you can choose your font preset. Like this main font is the main font being used. Similarly, there is secondary font, which will be used for this Pinterest handle. And then there is accent font. You should mainly focus on the main font. And as you can see, as I change these font preset, this is getting changed. Or you can also choose your custom fonts, for example, Alex Brush. See, it's getting changed. And then you can also choose your own templates. There are only 15 templates. And I recommend you to choose all so that you got enough for diversity. And then we have a color palettes. By default, red is selected. You can also choose your purple setup colors along with this. As you can see, it looks pretty nice, or you can choose all or choose only yellow. And one thing to tell you is that all of these color palettes, they have enough contrast with them. Like font 1 is having enough contrast with the BG1. Similarly, BG2 has enough contrast with the font 2, and when you choose any palettes, you can see that there is enough contrast, and you can easily read each of these texts. In the future, I'm planning to add more templates, but for now, due to paucity of times, I'm going to keep only 15 templates. And you can also add more points, like you see, this is getting updated, and this is your domain or Pinterest handle. You can also shuffle that is randomly these color palettes, and its templates will be picked randomly from the selected templates. As you can see, I'm shuffling it, and it's constantly changing. And when you are done, you can simply download all as zip file, and then you can choose which pins you want to post. Basically, the idea was that you want to create a lot of diverse pins. It gives you idea, and you don't want to choose few of these to be posted. And one thing I want to recommend is that don't post all these pins into the Pinterest all at once. Because in that case, Pinterest will punish you. Because of posting same kind of images at close interval. At least try to separate them by 15 days. If you're using Pinterest, you already know I don't have to tell you all these things. And that's all. And by the way, I am working on this Pinflow app, which not only creates beautiful looking Pinterest pin designs from your product page, but also it schedules them at proper, and they have enough gaps in randomization so that it doesn't sounds like a bot, and it queues. You get to choose the boards, but at the same time, the backend chooses the board appropriately. And cool thing about is that if you have like 50 Shopify products using templates and multiple color palettes, you can create multiple pins, and that's all. Thank you.